I'm cleaning out my closet today. It's a huge mess. Let me show you guys. No, see, you're probably like, what? This closet's a mess? No way. It is, it really is, and it's embarrassing. So we're gonna clean it today. Thought it'd be a quick and easy video. And I'm also got a new video editing software. It's called DaVinci Resolve. If you use it, I don't know, just tell me that you use it. Tell me if I'm making a mistake or it's a good thing that I'm doing. But we're gonna clean out my disgusting closet. Don't worry, I have a bunch of excuses as to why it looks like that. But yeah, we're gonna clean it out. We're gonna take all my stuff out, go to the living room couch, organize my stuff there because there's not much good lighting in here and I need more room. I'll see you guys when all of this stuff is on the couch. All right, so I'm setting you guys up right here. You guys are in front of my door. And yeah, so I'm gonna put all my clothes, all my belongings right here so I can organize my stuff. So let's just start dumping the stuff here. Look at all that crap. It's not crap, it's clothes. But yeah, it's like all over the place. Might as well be crap, right? Okay, so we're gonna go off with this. I apologize for all of that. That is not my mess. I'll clean it though. I'll clean it today. I'll be a nice family or roommate and just clean all that mess. So it's this TV area. That's like the only thing that's dirty inside the house right now. Anyways, so this right here, I'm talking behind the camera. That bag is where I keep all my shorts and pants and sweats and basketball shorts. I just same idea. All this stuff is a bunch of clothes and shirts and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do is separate the shorts and pants and put them in there. But I think I'm gonna take out all the pants in there and refold them because it's a mess. And all the shirts are going to be folded as well. And some of them are gonna be hung up like that one. That's a dress shirt. And that one as well is a dress shirt. Then I have like this pink bandana right here for no reason. So let's get to it. I have, so you guys can't really, I bought this at, what, TJ Maxx? And they're muscle shirts. And the problem is that they're medium. And I know that my girlfriend is watching this and she's probably laughing at me because I'm not a size medium. I'm a size large or an extra large. So this is essentially useless. Now there's mess there. Okay, let's put all of this to that side. This right here. Found the quarter so I can go wash later. I used to play baseball, so I still have these baseball pants. Some of this stuff is already folded, so that's like a win for me. It's like, why do I have a belt in here, you know? It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. And I have a bunch of keys to like old locks. I don't know if you can see this, but I have these keys to an old lock. My bike got stolen, unfortunately, and well, they broke the lock, or they ripped it off. I don't know. So those keys are useless. I'll be throwing that away. What can I talk about? This is something that you could do during quarantine, I guess. Well, we're not, I don't know if we're still considered in quarantine, but there's just a bunch of restrictions still. Like if you have literally nothing to do, or there's always something to do, but if you feel like you have nothing to do and you're just like procrastinating English or whatever, just fix your closets. Like I have tarantarans right here. By the way, for me, swimming trunks make the best pajamas. I have no idea why. They're just super light and they don't keep you hot at night. That's why I like to wear them. So I'm almost done here with the shorts. I'm gonna need to, like, this is another muscle shirt that doesn't fit. Useless. They're not useless. I'm just gonna like give them to my brother or something. He's a bit smaller than me, so they should fit him. But he's growing as well, so they probably won't fit him either. So this is a sock filled with rice. It's a sock filled with rice. Like you can probably hear that. And my girlfriend told me to put some rice in a sock and use it as like a heat pad. And I finally listened to her and it actually works really well. Helps relieve muscle tension, and like if you like are cramping or something like that, then you can use that. So this is trash. random batting glove. Okay, so this is all shirts. So now I'm gonna grab my IKEA bag. My closet is not super big. It's kind of like a small nook. All right, so now we're off to the shirts. Like this needs to be ironed and hanged up. Gonna separate all the stuff that needs to be on a hanger. Like this needs to be on a hanger. And all these are just t-shirts. Oh, that's right, I need to separate all the stuff that doesn't fit. And I also got, well, my girlfriend got me some stuff from, some shirts from Old Navy. Because she was tired of seeing me in clothes that don't fit me. I kept on, I have this ridiculous problem where I buy clothes that don't fit me. Like, I would buy medium and my frame is a bit, it's a large or an extra large. Like my sweaters are extra large, my shirts are supposed to be at least large, and I was buying medium shirts and she was like, you're an idiot and you need to buy clothes that fit you. So she was at Old Navy one day and she was like, look, I found these shirts, you're going to wear them. And well, this is one of them. It's like this shirt is trash. It's an old white shirt. Gonna make a trash pile right there, or just stuff that my mother can use to clean. Like that one as well doesn't fit. I don't like this shirt anymore, so I'm gonna set it aside right there. What is this? This is another Old Navy shirt, so that's awesome. So cool, the only Old Navy shirts that fit me, the only shirts that fit me are the ones from Old Navy, the ones that my girlfriend got for me. So awesome, thanks babe. I have clothes that fit. But these are the shirts that I have. I need to get some hangers for this stuff right here. And yeah, so I'll be back. Okay, finally got 3 hangers. That took longer than it should have. You know, you guys are probably like looking at me like, man, this guy's a mess. And I'm like, hell yeah, I am. I would actually like to be more organized. This isn't how I usually am. You know, the world, well, I'm gonna start coming up with my excuses, but a lot has been going on. There's a lot of stressful things, a lot of things that will take you out of your, let's say, routine. And you know, this whole pandemic, and I started working again, all these small things, they have a toll on you. Like if you don't eat the right amount that you're supposed to, geez, look at this is wrinkled. I have to sneeze. But like if you don't even eat enough, or you don't get enough sleep one night, it all kind of starts adding up and starts taking you out of your routine even more. So just kind of, you know, stepping back and trying to get back on track. Like this right now, I'm organizing my clothes. It's the weekend. I think it's the weekend. Yeah, it's the weekend. And you know, this is just stuff that you should be doing on your free time so you can reorganize yourself, get dialed back into how you were. And this hanger's on backwards. Is it? No, it was fine. Dang it. But yeah, you know, just doing stuff that's gonna help you on the long, I'm sorry for that noise, doing stuff that's gonna help you on the long run, or even on the short run, you know, just to kind of get the wheel spinning again. And well, yeah, so we're pretty much done here with this stuff. I'm gonna take you guys back to the room. These are all the shirts that I have, apparently. Most of my clothes are in the dirty laundry, but that will probably be for another video. I don't want this shirt anymore, so it's going with that pile down there. You guys can't see that. All of my pants and everything is in here. And yeah, trying to be more, I'm getting rid of a lot of my stuff. Sorry, this is just like a random segue or just going on a tangent. I'm trying to get rid of my stuff that I don't use, because I have like a bunch of shoes, I have a bunch of shirts that don't fit me, and I have a bunch of pants and shorts that don't fit me, and I've been taking this stuff out little by little, but for whatever reason it seems like it never ends. So I'm just doing this right now to continue that process. But yeah, let's put this stuff back in my closet and hang up those shirts, and that'll be the video, I guess. Cool, check that out. It just looks so much nicer without clothes inside. But yeah, those are like my little nooks. I actually have 4 in total. The nook up top, I'm not gonna show you guys because that's even bigger mess, but it's just a bunch of movies inside a box and some hats from like high school baseball team. And down there, it's some car jacks and a baseball helmet, baseballs, just a bunch of random stuff. So it's not important. What is important is putting this stuff back in where it belongs. So, wow, beautiful. Let's put the pants and the shorts back where they belong, which is there. Voila, you guys have helped me clean my closet, organize it, and okay, if you're looking at these stickers, I like to collect them, but I'm gonna take them down because it just looks janky. When I was younger, I liked to collect them. Some guy, of course, is passing by as I'm gonna close out the video. So that's essentially it for this video. Thank you guys for helping me or just sticking along while I'm cleaning out my closet and organizing it. This video is not supposed to be artsy or in any way like highly edited. It's just to show you some real life video type of stuff, you know, like my closet's a mess and I had to clean it, and it's just an easy video to make. So I know the shots were super basic and there's nothing complex or intricate or I guess super appealing to it, but if you enjoyed these videos where I'm just cleaning, or like if I'm doing an oil change in a car, just real life stuff like vlogs, well, not necessarily vlogs, but vlogging, like, or just recording that stuff, I'm gonna do more of that. And yeah, I also wanted to make this video to essentially distract you from all the stuff that's going on in the world. Maybe you're bored, you have nothing to do. Hopefully my video kind of just takes some time away from your day and distracts you from the pandemic, all this crazy stuff that's going on in the world. So that's it. If you like this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, share, blah. See you guys later. Peace. Oh, goodbye. Okay, whatever.